So we unboxed the furnace, and we'd like to talk to you and show to you a little bit of what we use as HVAC installers on the job. We try to be practical, and listen guys, I know, especially if you're HVAC installers out there, you probably have a lot of better ideas, better tools, but you know, let us know that. But these are some of the things that are just basic, guys, just basics. And so I like to walk through some of those. You see, I like this apron when I work. So everything's in front of me instead of on the sides like a regular construction guy. These are very helpful. So I got my set of tongs that I keep here. The HV installer always needs markers. I got a speed square, and of course the notorious right and left snips. And I got a variety from the Bulldogs to, there's a bag over here that has an assortment. I got a large assortment of different kind of snips that we would use on the job. And maybe some of you tell me your tape measure preference. I find this one here is doing well. It has all the increments that make it, not that I can't read a tape measure, but it definitely makes it to where I can be more efficient. And of course has magnets on the end to where if I'm butted up to a duct, I don't have to sit there and let that thing fall. My choice, I like that. We got of course a metal oil scratch where you can mark your, real quickly using this. I use this a lot. Just your basics. We know HVAC guys know what this is. It's that flat hammer, has the end here. That's different than the claw that's made for construction or carpentry guys. This is made for what we do. And if you're working with flex and certain materials, it's always benefit to have your knife that has the two edges, whether what you're cutting through. Another benefit on the job, these are your basics, a level, maybe a small flashlight. You don't want to be weighted down too much. But over here on this here, I gave some other small things that a typical installer would need. We have the notorious benders. You want, you know, your different benders. You have your good old metal stretcher. You got your hangers. If you're a loaner on the install, this can help hang your duct and take place of another guy. We have your normal Malco cutters for cutting metal. Typical drill. Not much. This here is just for where we cut our holes for our top takeoffs. You can do them by hand, but we have found these to be efficient and quick. But if you use the square top takeoffs, obviously you got to do it by hand. So this is just a small look of what you need. It's not really a lot, but you can lay out a whole job and pretty much complete a whole job just what you see here.